God bless you all. Welcome to my friendly maths channel. Let's see the solution to one of the nice questions. And the question is k times k times k plus k is equal to 10. Now see how we can solve it. Now k times k times k, 3 times k means we can write down as it as k cube plus k on left side of is equal to 10 is there. So 10 can be written as 8 plus 2. Right? And 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So, k cube plus k is equal to 2 cube plus 2. Okay. When see the powers are same, here also k, here also k, here also 2, here also 2. And when the powers are also same, then this base is equal to this base. So, k is equal to 2. The answer we got it. Okay. But if we need proper presentation, let's see how to proceed with. Now I will write down k cube, and this k cube and 2 cube I will write together. So this plus 2 cube, when it will come to the other side of is equal to, it will become minus 2. Similarly, plus 2 will become minus 2. Okay, k cube minus 2 cube plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now this can be so here for k cube minus 2 cube, we can use this identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square minus a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so here in place of k cube minus 2 cube, we can write down as k minus 2 a minus b. Here k is equal to a and 2 is equal to b times k square plus 2k plus b square. 2 square means it is 4, right? And now plus k plus 2 is there is equal to 0. Now we can see here also it is k minus 2. Sorry, here it is not plus, it is minus. See the way, such type of mistakes are not at all allowed. Right? Now here we can see, we can see k minus 2 is there, k minus 2 is there. So I am taking k minus 2 as common. So here we are left with k square plus 2k plus 4. Now this k minus 2 we have taken out. So when we divide that k minus 2 with this k minus 2, we are left with plus 1. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Right, everyone? So here either k minus 2 is equal to 0 or k square plus 2k plus, now I can write 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we can write down as 5 is equal to 0. So here the value of k1 we are getting. Suppose if it is k1, okay, k is equal to 2 minus 2, we will be receiving it as plus 2. So k is equal to 2. One answer, one solution we got for k. Now let's simplify this one. Okay, and here it is in the form of quadratic equations. K square plus 2k plus 5. But now see, 5 cannot be factorized, so that we will be getting the middle term 2. So we need to use this formula. K is equal to quadratic equation formula. K is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Right? So by using that, I can write down as k is equal to, before that, let me mention the values of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 1, coefficient of k square is 1, and b is equal to coefficient of k is 2, so b is equal to 2, and constant is 5, so c is equal to 5. Okay, now let us put up the values. So k is equal to, here if it is k1, this is, okay, is equal to, now minus b, that is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of b square, that is equal to 2 square minus 4 in times a is 1 times c is 5 whole upon 2a, that is equal to 2 times 1. So k is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 20 whole upon 2, right? So here only I will be doing so that it will be easy for you. K is equal to minus 2 plus minus. Now see plus 4 and minus 20. In square root we are having plus 4 minus 20 as, so that is equal to minus 16. Okay, and so in root we are getting minus 16 upon 2, 2 ones are 2. So this is minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of minus 1, and square root of minus 1, that is a complex number, that is equal to I imaginary. Okay, here upon 2 is also there. See again one more mistake I have committed. It is not square root. No, it is this 4 has come out now. Square root of 6 minus 16 means square root of, okay, 4 square. I need to write 4 square, not 4. Okay. Now this will become as minus 2 plus minus, this square with root will be cancelled and 4 will come out. 4 times I can write down in place of square root of minus 1, we can write down as, and upon 2. So that is equal to minus 2 upon 2 plus minus 4i upon 2. Okay, this 2 will be cancelled, this will become 2. So that is equal to, k is equal to, we will be getting minus 1 plus minus 2i. If I consider this one as k1 is equal to 2, now here two values of k we will be getting, plus and minus. So that is equal to k2, if I consider as k2, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, and k3 we will be receiving as minus 1 minus 2i. But as these are imaginary numbers, so k is equal to 2 will be the answer. Okay, I hope this video is clear to you. If you understood this video, please like it and subscribe the channel for some more interesting questions. Thank you so much for watching. All the very best.